Good day to all of you, my beautiful traders. Good day to everyone who's watching this video. My name is Zach, I'm from Harvest Trade, and I'm glad to welcome you to our another video. Today we are going to talk about how you can raise more money on trading and what exactly will help you to achieve this goal of earning more money on trading. And besides this, of course, we're going to do 2 new deals of our currency pairs, and also we are going to try to get more knowledge about the world of trading. But before we start talking about our topic for today, let's get to our first currency pair for today. And now, guys, we are starting with the pair of British pounds and Australian dollar. And I believe that this pair will grow up in price. As you can see that after reaching the support line, our pair had a massive uptrend. And even though after it reached the resistance line, the first one, it had a little impulses down, but after that, the price growth continued. So now I believe that we can count on it's growing again. And I believe that this pair might have a new resistance line achieved right now. I honestly believe that starting this topic for how can you make more money on trading, I believe that one of the most important things you can have in trading is have a good team. A team with a person who will help you to control your emotions. Because let's be honest that most of people who are trading, who are doing any other things, they have problems with telling themselves to stop when they should stop. So in my VIP team, there is one thing I do that makes people earn more money and not lose it. If we have a bad day, and believe me, you can have a bad day, it's absolutely okay to have a bad day. So if we have a bad day, I tell my team to stop trading if we have more than one loss. So if we have 2 losses, it means that stop, we are done for today. And we will come back tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and we will make up for the loss we had 2 days ago. It's very important because most of people who lost, they are not willing to let themselves to have some rest. And instead of just stopping, instead of accepting that this is not their day, they will continue trading until they totally waste their deposit. And I'm sure that if you talk with traders, people who traded for a while, you will hear a lot that people actually had a lot of those moments when they regretted so much that they didn't stop trading when they should have stopped. And I believe that if you are a person who wants to be successful in trading, you for sure need a team because it will let you control your emotions much better. And you can literally understand when to start, when to stop, what to do, and all of that. And especially if you are new in trading, if you don't have enough experience and knowledge and understanding of how the market is working, how the news affecting the market, what is the impulses, which can happen a lot. If you are not having enough knowledge, having a team is just so much important and just golden for you. And honestly, when I ask myself, why would someone walk along the road in trading when he can have a team, I just don't have any logical answer because having a team will let you not make so many mistakes which absolutely destroy people, because mistakes in trading often cost people a lot of money, and you can be free from having those mistakes, especially if you are not a person who's been trading for a long time and you are not as experienced as you should be yet. So believe me, having a team is something that can help you a lot. And now, guys, coming back to our first currency pair for today, we see the W, we see how our first pair gave us the needed result. And I would like to remind you, first of all, that don't forget, please, to subscribe the channel. We are growing and I'm so happy and pleased to see it. And also, if you want to have a team, you have a link in the description down below, a link to my Telegram channels. You can be the part of our VIP team and first of all, earn more money. And second of all, make sure that you don't risk what you have and you can trade smarter. And that is exactly why we are there, because I want people to trade smarter. And it's very important because it's allow people to not lose their deposit. So if you are considering having a team and working with someone, I'll be very much pleased to work with you. And you are very, very much welcomed there. And now guys, moving to our second currency pair for today, we have the pair of Australian dollar and USA dollar. And today I chosen this pair because I want to work with also a pair that been not very stable. And here, as you can see, we had a lot of impulses. And now I believe that this pair will for sure go down in price because I see 3 or 4 resistance line that been reached, and after them I believe the downtrend will start. And even though we see how 2 candles moved up, I believe that now the price will go down for sure. This is the situation when I am not sure that the drop in price will be massive. It's hard to predict, but I believe that this pair will not go up, and most certainly for now we'll see a downtrend here. And now guys, I want to be totally honest with you about some traders. So I heard a lot of people and I spoke to a lot of people who had some traders or people who call themselves traders, and those people tell them that if they have a deposit of $75, it means that in a week they will have $7,500 and it will be easy for them to make those money. This is such a bullshit. And a lot of people, they are choosing traders who just promising them so much, like, I will make you a millionaire in like a week or 2 weeks, or you can become a millionaire from a $1,000 deposit. This is such a bullshit. And if you have a person who promises you too much, most certainly it's just some bullshit. Like, I can admit that I am not a magician. If you come to me with a deposit of $50, I cannot ever promise you that I will turn it into $10,000 in a month, because it will be such a bullshit. Just mathematically, it will be a bullshit. And most people, they fall for huge promises other people give them. Because let's be honest again, that a lot of people are struggling financially, and when they hear some promises about huge amounts of money, they just fall for it, and it is a mistake of them. So what I want you to do is find a team that is not promising you to become a millionaire from $100 in a month. Because if someone told you that, it is most certainly a lie. And this person will never ever be successful for you and even for himself. He can just be a fake trader who claims that he is a pro and that he is a magician. But I don't know a single person in this world who could seriously turn $100 into $1 million or like a $100,000 in a month. It's just simply impossible. So if you are inexperienced, please make sure that you don't fall for big promises someone can give you. And honestly, guys, the reason I'm telling you about this is because I saw and heard so many stories, and I had a feeling that those stories been about the same person because they are so identical. If you want to become a successful trader and you are seeking for a team who can help you with this, never fall for huge promises. Fall for small, healthy, and good profit. So if you have a deposit like $2,000, it is totally possible to make around 5 to 7K in a month. Maybe 10 if you are very lucky and the person who you work with is a real professional, but not more. And now, guys, we see how our second currency pair also gave us the W. And I would like to remind you once again that first of all, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I very much enjoy seeing how it's growing. And also don't forget to follow the link which you have down below in the description and join our VIP team, because there you can get not only 8 signals per day, but you can also have a team where you will not be promised to become a millionaire in a month, but you will be promised to have digital sessions, healthy and good profit. And that is exactly what you should be aiming for. I think that professional trader is someone who is not lying to people who came to him. And I hate telling people some promises I cannot keep. So I like people who are interested in real short and long-term profit. And if you're one of those people, I very much welcome you to our VIP team. So guys, Zach from Harvard Straight was with you. I wish you to have a fantastic day. Bye bye.